Hey guys, it's Tony. So another play I'm gonna be looking at for next week. If I have enough money to actually play this, I will be looking at Lit, which is the global ETF for lithium and battery tech. Again, we have that perfect close, the candle towards the upside, on the weekly chart. Again, you guys know that I really only use my breakout strategy for the weekly chart. That's it. So far, the good thing is we have done a 3 for 3. Nike has been great. Apple has been great. Costco has been great. Every single one we've seen about 100% return in less than the actual month, which is absolutely fantastic. And again, I really only do minimum like a month out, or like I said, they either have to hit that first TP, which is that first red line that I made right here, or the options overall. I generally buy 3 options, right? So right now, price, for example, on Lits is $78.19. The post, which was the close, was $77. So Monday, depending on where price opens, I would be buying. For this one specifically, though, I'd probably buy 2 month out calls. So I'd probably buy August, like September, August, whatever. But more than likely, I'd probably be buying one $77 call, one $93 call, and probably one $98 call. Just to let you guys know how I generally play, this move towards the upside, right? Or how I play my breakout strategy. Again, I am looking at LIT, which is the global lithium and battery tech ETF. It did create that perfect candle that we like to see. It broke previous highs back here of February 16th, the week of February 16. It broke it on the week on that purple candle to the upside, and generally it tends to have a really nice run up towards the upside after a couple of what is it called? Couple of weeks. So right here we have a relative low. We have a relative high right here. We actually, it just have price is consolidating right here, so not a big, so there's no real mountain peak that we can actually use, but generally, I'm just going to use this $40 price point, $41 back from September 14th of that week. And it broke it up here, and then it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 weeks out before it actually had a solid move to the upside, right? So again, I will be playing this depending on how much it costs, how much money I actually have to play these calls. This specifically was going to be 2 months out, but again, the reason I am playing this is because it has this perfect candle. What do I always tell you guys? I don't like buying when it's here, not really too much, but if it does have a perfect candle close like this, we did close beating the relative high for the week, and we closed crossing it like this. We have that perfect, beautiful candle towards the upside. And generally what that means is there's a big momentum push to the upside. We have the 50 MA over the 200 MA, which tells me that all we're looking for is buys. The Stoke is overbought, which is great because the reverse MACD is on the bullish side, and anything that's on the bullish side on the reverse MACD with the Stoke being oversold tends to show a lot of push to the upside, so a lot of bullish momentum. So again, this is just one play that I'm going to be looking at for next week, something I found today, and this is and the volume for this, from what I remember for today, is a little bit over 1 million. So again, don't play anything. Remember to check the volume. So for stocks so for example, AutoZone, I know is doing actually pretty well. I know like 2 or 3 people that got into it from when I posted that one. That was my mistake. To let you guys know that that's actually not a solid play. AutoZone tends to trade between 200 and 500,000 daily volume. So even though it's actually giving you guys returns, you guys might have a hard time selling those calls because there's no volume, right? The options chain has no volume, so which is the bad part. So again, try to stick to actual tickers that have a volume of over 1 million. That's usually what I tend to play. Lit has a volume of over 1 million, so I'm completely fine with that. But again, check your volume. Check your volume. Make sure that it's at least over 1 million. That is one of my criteria, right? It's one of the confluences when it comes into what is it called? When it comes into trade like this, right? So yeah, definitely looking at LIT for Monday. Currently, right now, my breakout plays are still in Pepsi, BTU, DocuSign. I think I just entered ETN today. I think Crowd, and then I will be looking at this LIT play for Monday. But we'll see what happens. Again, this one is more of a 2 month out play, but we'll see. Have a great weekend, guys. Have a great Friday, and I'll see you guys later.